What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu. Johnny with PickFu. What is that? What are we looking at over here? Getting a glass of water and a cat. Cat looks hungry. Cat also appears to be floating in thin air. Neither here nor there. Let's go right to the title first this time. Elevated cat food bowl. 3 stainless steel raised cat bowls with stand, 15 degrees tilted for indoor cats, cat food, and water bowl set. Anti-vomiting. Wow. Whisker fatigue. Whisker fatigue? That's a thing? All right. So natural. Okay. Different colors. We're on the natural Jones over here. Let's take a look at the images. So we had a cat. I'm not a huge fan of the cat just floating in the middle of nowhere. That could just be me. I don't know. I'd rather see a cat next to a box and the box saying exactly what it is, packaging behind it. I don't think you need someone pouring water into the bowl like this. I think they're doing this to show how it's tilted. However, I don't know. I'm not a cat owner. I'm a dog owner. So I typically don't pour my dog's water from a glass into it. I don't know. A little weird. But yeah, I would love to see the packaging behind here say exactly what it is. Elevated cat food bowl, 3 stainless steel bowls, all that kind of good stuff. Perfect size for cats, ×3. Yeah, I don't think that needs to really be said. Again, another cat licking their face. Is that appealing to cat owners? I don't know. Maybe. 6.7 ounce. This is a little, and why is it in parentheses? Or I don't know. It's not, just say 6 ounces or just say 7 ounces. Just, I know we want specifics, but 200 milliliters, it's too much information on this page. It's not telling me the importance of it. Okay, elevated cat food bowl. Apparently he's a alien cat with a green spine. So, that's supposed to be good. Okay, and the red is bad. Got it. I think there's a better color than green for something like that. Maybe blue. Okay, this is showing why it's important that there's strain. Okay, anti-vomiting. I didn't know that was a thing. It's interesting. 15-degree tilt. Okay, reduces face food stains. What does that look like when a cat has a face food stain? I think you want to show what that looks like versus why. And what's whisker friendly mean? Isn't every bowl whisker friendly? What makes this whisker friendly? I don't know. Different bowls for different food. So dry, wet, water. Do a lot of cat folks use different foods with their cats? I don't know. 304 food grade, stainless steel. I would hope they're food grade. Stainless steel cat bowls. What is that? What are we looking at? Oh, that's say goodbye to feline acne, dishwasher supported. Dishwasher supported? Isn't it supposed to be dishwasher safe? I don't think dishwasher supported. Durable and safe, resistant bacteria growth. Resistant to bacteria growth? It's probably better. But you're not talking about why you're better than typical ones. So like an us versus them about why you're better than a bowl on the floor. I know we talk about that, but show people. Hey, this one kind of does it, but more of an us versus them kind of jam is what you want to do. And you have different colors, but I would never know that from this. That's why putting the packaging over here is super important, because you can say also available in black, white, and this. So you may lose some clicks to some folks on the SERP when this comes up if they don't want natural, but they may like the black, but they won't ever know that you have that from this. Bullet points, elevated cat bowl, tilted, stainless steel, easy to assemble. Okay, that's the thing. You don't show me the assembly. So what exactly do I have to assemble? How does it come? Are there screws? Do I just snap it in? What do I do? Perfect gift. No one's giving this as a gift. Let's be honest. No one is going to give a gift of a cat food bowl. Not going to happen. I could be wrong. I'm usually not that wrong with this kind of stuff, but I can't imagine. Maybe you just got a cat, but you would buy a bowl anyway for a cat, or if you're planning on getting a cat. So I don't think this is a gift. I think you really want to have some more keywords in here that are relevant. A+ content. Why are they putting the brand story module below A+? Well, this one's not even here at all. No brand story module. Big miss. So the brand was whatever, man. Cat food and water bowl set. You say easy to assemble again. Show us that. For beloved kittens. Just kittens, not cats. Be a little bit more direct with that kind of stuff. This is a good image showing this. It does look a little Photoshoppy though. Raised and tilted cat bowl. So I like this as a good image. The anti-vomiting one, I still don't get. Yeah, no one's putting their cat bowl like this, because technically, how's the cat going to eat out of that? So it's like super elevated now. This cat's really going to have to strain. This one's really not that realistic. This one maybe a little bit so, but show it in the kitchen. That's where we're gonna put that stuff. Dishwasher safe. Now we say dishwasher safe, but before we say no bacteria growth. Okay, microwave supported. You can microwave stainless steel. I don't know about that. We gotta fact check that after this. Best gifts for feline friends. I guess it's a gift for them, but I mean, is it a gift if you really need it to live? I don't know. But yeah, there's a lot of ways that you would want to position this. I think the biggest thing to say is why you versus the cheap kind of dollar bowls you get at Walmart. Why is that better? And that's really not being stressed here enough. It's just saying why this is good. But talk about anti-vomiting and digestion. What does that look like? I mean, don't show vomiting. Don't show vomiting like that. But showing the actual product next to the competition, like you kind of have in this one over here. But you really only show a slight version of that. I'd want to see this a little bit bigger and like a split, us versus them. But you guys know what I had to do. I had to PickFu it because it's just the rage nowadays, guys. So I ran a PickFu here. It's still running, but we got a good idea. All right. If you're shopping on Amazon for cat bowls, which product would you rather buy? And I'll show you in a second where I actually got these from as competitors in the space. So you see 7 people. So they're winning. 7 people would rather buy this one. 2 people want this cheap one, but 5 people still want this one. So let's take a look why. So they're saying for the people who like this one over here, the second place winner so far, I only purchased stainless steel. If I had to pick one, I would go to C. It seems the highest quality. I did not like the Photoshop in option A. So yeah, people pick up on that kind of stuff. I like C the best. I also like B. I don't like A because most cats don't like to drink near their food, my cat included, so it wouldn't be used. Okay, so that's interesting. So they're saying that their cat doesn't like the food near the water. So I didn't even think about that. C showed item best, A second, B looks like a bad image angle, C looks fancy, more styling. Okay, let's see why people picked A, which is the one we're looking at right here. I can see a happy cat and shows up to 3 bowls. Wood container is least likely to get tipped over. That's kind of true. I like it's off the ground, has handles. I like having bowls for wet, dry, and water. I thought the image in A best captured it. I like the design. I get 3 different sections to put food and water. So that's interesting because I could imagine someone putting more, if you have a couple cats, maybe you'd put more water than food. Maybe 2 bowls of water, 1 bowl of food. Because I don't see cat owners with wet and dry cat food. But that's just me. But this is still running, but it just gives you a good idea to understand where people are looking. And I specifically target this for cat owners, by the way. Amazon subscribers that are cat owners. So this is not just a general public. But something really cool that I'm playing with now is from Jungle Scout, and it's called Competitive Intelligence. Take a look at this. So inside Jungle Scout, they have something called right here, Competitive Intelligence. And I'm in this section here for listing and reviews, and it's taking competitors in the space who are known competitors to this product that I typed in the ASIN for, which is where I got those 2 other images from. And it's running a comparison. But the comparison, the side by side, is so cool that you scroll down here. Let me do a little scroll running and cheese. So we're looking at the pros and the cons. You can see all the pros over here and all the cons. So this guy doesn't have a lot of cons, but broken on arrival, it's kind of rough. That's why you want to talk about your installation and how you put it together. Messy eaters. Cats may nibble. Cats may make a mess with kibble. I think cats are going to make a mess with anything. But if you go down here a little bit more, the cool thing that I like is the image stacks are right next to each other. So here's first image, second image, third image, fourth image, fifth image, sixth, and then the middle one stops at 6 and then 7, and then we stop at 7 and they have 8 and 9. So it's a good way for you to take a look at image stacks next to each other for competitors and say, okay, what are they doing for their main image? What are they doing for their secondary image? Okay, this brand is talking about top rack dishwasher safe, right? We're talking about over here the size, and then they're talking about stainless steel. And the third image, right? They're just showing the product, but then they're showing angles of the cats eating, which is actually kind of cool to see. And you can see here in the fourth image, the tilt. And so they're talking about body assembly, easy assembly, and they're actually showing how to install it. The one we're looking at doesn't. This is a really cool way for you to get a good snapshot. Also, this one has adjustable angles, which is actually kind of cool. This one does not. I do like how this one shows the posture, and it shows like a more not so graphic way of showing a green spine in a cat. Because I don't know, that was a little jarring to me. I thought he was wearing like a harness or something. But yeah, really cool things for you to see. I didn't even know that we had another image on the bottom of this one over here. This is really cool from Jungle Scout, this competitive intelligence, because you can click on overview and you can see like the market share. Like right now we have 0.14% of this product in the market share. And you can go over here and see like those guys in the middle that we had in the PickFu have a 10% market share. And the other guys, where are they? Were they not there? Oh, over here has about 5%. So you can see over here units sold. And the cool thing too is the keywords, right? So you can go and see the keywords for like organic rank and where they're ranking for organic versus where we're ranking for organic. So they're ranking organic on 2, right? We're not ranked organic at all for dog bowls, but it's not dog bowl. Well, the other one is actually advertised for dog and cat. So that's probably why. But you can see down here, the middle competitions for cat bowls, they're ranking 2. We're not ranking organically for 2 for that at all, or anything at all for that. Even better one, cat bowls for indoor cats, ranking organically 1, we're 13, they're 11. So it's a good way for you to see like where you stack against your competition. And there's all the search volume and also the kind of cool stuff. And you could also look at sponsored rank too. So if you just want to look at sponsored and see, okay, where are we gunning for? Cat Bowl's number 5, their Cat Bowl's number 3. So Cat Food Bowl, we're 13, but they're not there at all. So it's a really cool way to look at the data, and it's something new from Jungle Scout. So I definitely encourage you guys to all take a peek and see what's cracking. But if anything I said was compelling just now, and you're interested in it, but you're like, you don't have the time to do it, you don't have the assets or the resources or anything like that, cool, we got you. PickFu is done for you. We take care of all the polling for you. We take care of all the image iteration. We have a graphic design team in-house, on staff, at the ready, fingers on the mouse, ready to go and click and create the best version of your main hero image to help you get a better CTR based on data. But that's it for today's episode, guys. It's the weekend. It is Friday, so we will see you all back here, same bat time, same bat channel on Monday for another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown. Love you all.